Morning everybody, it's Pastor Pete here from the UK, and this is my weekly update for the 16th of February 2013. I'm trying to sound a little bit happier today to do with what my girlfriend fed back to me about my video. She found it a little bit boring last time, but then she doesn't really like silver, so there you go. Quick update on silver. Hope you took my advice. I did predict that we'd be down at the 30 level over the last 2 weeks. I predicted it on the 2nd of February, and since then the market's been really fascinating, and it's taken a dip down to the 30 level. Yesterday I sold out my contract on the demo version, and I've been buying up silver on the demo version as well. So I'll probably buy a couple of silver coins today as well, because 30 is the absolute limit, I think, on the low side, and I'll show you why I think that. The first reason is that I see a lot of support in the market for the 30 level, as you can see in this chart. Let me see if I can just blow this up a little bit now. In essence, as you can see here, the last time it went below 30 was August 2012, and it's been trading above that, testing the support in December and in January, and now we're back at the level now. So I suspect that we'll be maintaining the 30 level in the future going forwards. It also confirms that on the market traders futures report that I'll show you in a minute as well. And so I hope you took my advice and waited for the 30 limit, and I suggest that you go out and stack a bit of silver in the next couple of days, because the market is set to return back up. Now, in my opinion, the silver market is still in a manipulated state, and it's manipulated currently between 30 and 35. As you can see on my chart, I've put lines in for both these areas. So we've got the line at 30 here and the line at 34, and I think that we're currently manipulated between these two lines. Now, there will be a point in the future where there'll be a breakout above that line due to the physical demand from private investors and from the industrial market, in my opinion, as silver is short in supply at the moment. You can check out YouTube for a number of videos that show that, and in my opinion, if we can get a breakout above the 35 limit this year, then again we could head towards the 40 limit. There's no real resistance from 35 to 40 level in the future, so go out and buy some silver today, or invest in silver today. It is, in my opinion, the bottom of the market. It might go to 29, but that's going to be the absolute bottom. And yeah, so as we can see on this particular chart, we're on 30 at the moment. I'm expecting a rise up to this 35 limit. The traders are indicating that's where they think it's heading. Let me just show you this commitment of traders report. This is on the cftc.gov website. I recommend that you analyse this at your leisure. It'll really help you understand the silver price. This is showing that there's minus 3,200 short positions, and that means that the traders have cashed in probably at 30 on their contracts and made quite a lot of money on that. And they've also put in another 2,000 long positions, which indicates that they're expecting the price to rise, and they're going to cash in at a level, say 33 to 35, in my opinion. But you just never know with this. There might be a short squeeze or something, which means that they'll have to swap out their short for long positions depending on the market demand. But a few of the guys that I check out on a regular basis, David Morgan and Brother John, and a few of the other guys are really predicting a $40 level for this year. That'd be fantastic if it reaches that. You know, that'd be brilliant for silver, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So that's the commitment of traders report showing that the traders are long, and this is the chart showing the support limit for 30. I don't think it's going underneath 29, and that we've got a sell point on $35. Once we get to that level, I'll be able to tell by the trader report as to whether they're going higher than that, but we'll check out that at the time. And that's all for now. as they say on Hill Street Blues, be careful out there.